Hi everybody, welcome to Queen Bee Mixology. This is Kelly, the Queen Bee, and I'm her sidekick, Cindy. Today, what are we gonna make?
We're making the Gatsby 7.
I have no idea why it's called the Gatsby 7. I found it at a restaurant in New York City called the LCL. So,
okay.
you guys could hit us up and let us know why you called it that.
Why do you call it the Gatsby 7?
Yeah.
So, very excited to make this drink. I love apple brandy. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Yes.
and I love cream soda.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect.
Put two things together that work and
You get a mixology show.
woot woot. Yeah, apple brandy historically has been known as Applejack, and it is America's original spirit long before bourbon.
Are you serious?
I'm totally serious.
I've never heard of it.
But anyways, I'm so excited to make this drink. Can't wait to find out why it has its name.
I know.
I know.
Really excited.
But let's give it a try.
All right.
Okay. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of apple brandy.
Ooh, it smells good.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
It smells like apple candy. Show's over.
Yep. And then I'm gonna do a half an ounce of simple syrup.
Don't make it too sweet.
Nope. Perfect. And then we're gonna go to gin. Oh my gosh.
You love gin too.
And I love Tanqueray. I mean, come on.
I'm not a gin girl.
Who doesn't love that? Woo! We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of the gin. Here we go. There we go. And apple juice.
I love apple juice.
All right, so 1.5 of apple juice. So then I'm gonna add some lime.
Be sure to roll your lime before you squeeze your lime. Words to live by from Queen Bee Mixology.
Gotta get some of that juice coming. Another thing you can do to get the juice in the lemons or limes is to put it in the microwave.
But don't forget about it.
Yeah. Only, well, like 10-15 seconds, really. That's all you really need.
Okay.
Yes. Nice. Add some ice.
It smells so sweet.
There we go.
All right, let's do it. Remember to leave room for the cream soda on top.
Yeah. Where does cream soda come from?
The can.
Tell me about cream soda.
Well, cream soda is called cream soda. There's 2 reasons. One, it used to be made of cream of tartar.
Ooh.
Which I can't even imagine. I'm glad
Wow.
they changed that.
Yeah.
The second reason is because vanilla, when you taste it, has been scientifically proven to give you a creamy texture.
Oh, I
even
didn't
though
know
it
that.
doesn't change the texture.
That's
Look
great.
that one up. That's a science
There we
fact.
go. Top it off. And we'll give it a little bit of garnish. Garnish with our little lime.
Ta-da!
There you go. I knew I would like this because I love apple brandy. It's simple. It tastes different. Combining the apple with the cream soda, it's like a little dessert topping with a kick.
That's smooth.
Definitely Queen Bee approved.
And now I like